Stuck in bad habits, feeling like change is impossible? What if I told you your brain has the power to rebuild itself? In The Brain That Changes Itself by Norman Doidge, we learn that neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change, can help us overcome addictions, build new habits, and create the life we want. Neuroplasticity means your brain is not fixed. It's constantly rewiring itself based on your experiences, thoughts, and actions. This is how we can break bad habits and build new ones. Take sugar addiction, for example. When you eat sugary foods, your brain rewards you with a dopamine hit, reinforcing the habit. But here is the good news. You can rewire this craving by replacing sugar with healthier rewards, like fruit or exercise. The more you resist, the weaker the old pathways become, and the stronger your new habits grow. Small, consistent changes are key. Neuroplasticity thrives on repetition. When you create positive habits like mindfulness, movement, or learning, you strengthen the neural pathways that support them. Over time, these habits become automatic. But it's not just about breaking bad habits, it's about building a better life. Studies in the book show how people have overcome chronic pain by retraining their brains, reversed depression through purposeful action, learned new skills, even in old age, by embracing neuroplasticity. Your brain is your superpower. The best part? Neuroplasticity works for everyone, no matter your age or past experiences. You can train your brain to work for you and not against you. The brain that changes itself can change your life. Your brain is constantly evolving. The question is, are you ready to take control? Start creating the life you deserve today.